2-box 2023 Gold Rush Lightning number 2. This was random 4 teams. Good luck, guys. We have a trading card, Jalen Green, PSA DNA certified, auto grade, and a Gem Mint 10 on the auto. So Jalen Green IP auto with a 10 on the auto grade. And that's from 2021 Chronicles draft picks, and it's the Essentials subset from 2021 Chronicles draft picks. That's going to go ahead and go out to the Rockets, and Tony. There you go, Tony. Nice Jalen Green. Then we have number 2. About a 1990 Hoops, Dennis Rodman. ASSP, the All-Star SP, Beckett Authentic Autograph. That's Dennis Rodman IP. Beckett Authenticated. And that is going out to the Pistons, Dennis Keith Rodman. Who has the Pistons? Kyle. There you go, Kyle. Nice Dennis. That's sick. Cool. Congrats on that, guys. That was our 2-box Lightning number 2.